Tell
How
me
you
what's
doing?
going on, my friend. Let me start by getting the engine size, please.
Six.
All right, perfect. All right, tell me what's going on.
Uh, well, I've had my water pump leaking for a little bit now. It wasn't a problem.
Okay.
It'd warm up a little bit. It'd always be dripping. I'd always have to fill it after I drive. There it sits. That was normal. Well, I was driving home from work today, and there's a shit ton of traffic in town. And, well, she doesn't like idling. And it just started to heat up, and I couldn't beat it. I found somewhere to park, and it was just spraying out. It built up that much pressure in it. Way too hot. I just cooled my engine off with the rest of the water I had.
So, what's your question to me, my friend? How can I help?
Trying to wonder if you guys come out here and do this stuff.
Well, we don't, but I can certainly recommend a service if you would like.
If you would.
I got a couple different recommendations that you keep handy. So, and it's actually getting more and more common. Would you like me to send that information over here once we're off the phone?
Or you could. Well, it's the most reliable one. You're the best one.
You,
All right. I'll give this a try. Thank you.
all right, you bet. You're welcome. Good luck.
All right. Thank you. I'm going to need it.
All right, take care.
You as well.